Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious caramel frappe at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce, 1 cup of ice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on your preference. Having these ready ensures a smooth process and a fantastic final drink. Now, let's get blending. Pour your brewed coffee, milk, caramel sauce, and sugar into a high-speed blender. Next, add 1 cup of ice. This amount is key for achieving that signature frosty, thick frappe consistency. Blend everything on high until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no visible ice chunks. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Before pouring, take your serving glass and drizzle some extra caramel sauce around the inside. This creates a beautiful presentation and adds an extra layer of caramel flavor with every sip. Carefully pour your perfectly blended frappe into the prepared glass. For the ultimate treat, finish it off with a generous swirl of whipped cream and another drizzle of caramel on top. Your homemade caramel frappe is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still perfectly cold and frosty. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding a shot of vanilla syrup, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even some chocolate shavings next time. You can truly make this recipe your own. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.